I am so glad I'm going downhill on this. This would not be fun to climb. My rear wheel would be spinning if I was going up this. Hush Twinkie, we're doing okay. And of course up front, up ahead, it looks like there is uphill in gravel. Yeah, that's nice of them. I think Twinkie knows it, she's whining. Interesting, since you don't see anybody working. Kind of looks like it's been like this for a while. Yeah. The tire's already spinning. Let's see if we can get a little momentum on this part. What worries me is up ahead, that top section. I do have, more weight on this rear tire. Helps give it grip. But at the same time, that weight is pulling me back down the hill. Luckily, it doesn't look very as steep from here now. Although it is steep compared to most climbs. You can see if I stop, I'll start sliding back. So I have to keep a little bit of momentum. Let's see if we can. Woo! Howdy. And I can't really get off the trike and pull it because as soon as I get off, this thing's going to start sliding. So I'm trying to find a spot that's got a little more rock and less dirt, and just keep going. Any momentum at all to keep going up. Hi. Whoa. I'll be honest. Hope I don't offend anybody. Caltrans is a joke. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to build roads. And if you work for Caltrans, I'm sorry. It's kind of a, you know, maybe it's not your fault. Maybe the government's just not giving you the resources. Sacramento. But I'm sure Caltrans has a larger budget than most state budgets. And a road like Highway 1 should be priority to make it safe. Whew. Howdy. Hi. Because if they're gonna put up signs saying this is a coastal bike route, then they need to make the entire Highway 1 safe for cyclists. Because a lot of these blind curves with no shoulder, narrow road, high speeds, not even safe for seasoned cyclists on two wheels. They need, you know, at least a 3-foot shoulder the entire Highway 1. Yeah, it would take some money and some time, but just think of all the people it would put to work. So if they don't, then they shouldn't call it a coastal bike route or cycling route or anything like that. They shouldn't, you know, because people see that on the maps and they think, okay, it's got to be fairly safe for bikes. No, it's fairly dangerous. Okay, that's my rant. I know I've said it before, but that is the one disappointment I've had in California, is their poor roads. State government should be focusing on roads, not restrooms. You know, they should be focusing on the infrastructure, not illegal aliens and pandering to them. So, you know, local governments should, and state governments should be, they're there to provide our infrastructure, our roads, water, you know, safety, not worry about social issues. That should be left to churches and people, the citizens, not the government. And that goes for the national government as well. Washington is to provide our safety and security and you know, dealing with other countries and military, our interstates, things like that. Washington is not there to tell us, you know, provide us with our morality or tell us what's moral and what's right and wrong, and you know, which bathrooms we should be using. That should be left to the people themselves to decide. You can't legislate morality or values or ethics or anything else. Okay, that's my rant. I'm going to get back to enjoying the scenery and watching for cars coming up behind me. Have a nice day.